Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to sort data in Excel by color. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. Let's look at this range of data. For example, I created one color column from the right. We will need it for sorting. So select the cell inside the range that we need to sort and go to the Data tab. Here we click the filter button, and as you can see, a small arrow has appeared in the header of each column. Click the arrow on the color column and select Sort by Color. Next, we select the preferred color, for example, choose red, and as you can see, all the data is sorted. But since we have more than one color in the column, the rest of the column is in the real chaos. Let's fix this by choosing green as the second sorting level. In the same tab, click the Sort button. In the window that opens, we see that we already have the first sorting level in red, and to add a second level with green, click Add Level. Now in Then By list, we select the color column, then in the next field select Sort by Cell Color, select green, and in the last field, if necessary, select the sort order, namely from larger to smaller or from smaller to larger. Click OK, and our entire table is fully sorted. Accordingly, if there were 4 colors in the table, then there would be 3 sorting levels, and so on. It's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.